Hello and welcome to Reviewly.ai. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your HubSpot account to Reviewly.ai and automatically send contacts into your review and feedback flow. So, let's get started. To begin, you're going to need an active HubSpot account. Next, log in to Reviewly.ai. Now, from your dashboard, click on the drop-down menu next to your location name, and then click Integrations. On this page, scroll down until you see the blue Connect button underneath HubSpot. Click Connect. You'll be redirected to HubSpot to sign in. Go ahead and sign in into your HubSpot account. Then choose the account you want to connect. Next, you're going to review the permissions and then click Connect App. You may get a message that says Reviewly.ai is not a verified app. If you do, scroll down and click the checkbox stating that you understand the risks of connecting an unverified app to your account. Then, click the Connect App button. Once connected, choose the lifecycle stage that should trigger contacts to be sent to Reviewly.ai. Please note that you may want to take a moment here and choose carefully. If you leave it blank, all your contacts in HubSpot will be synced to Reviewly.ai. This could be thousands of records synced all at once. For this example, I'm going to select Subscriber, then click Update. From this point forward, any contact marked as a subscriber in HubSpot will automatically appear in your Reviewly.ai contacts list. And that completes the HubSpot integration. Contacts that meet your selected criteria will now sync automatically with Reviewly.ai, helping you collect feedback without extra steps. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.